Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can open your BMW 2 Series door manually with the little hidden lock in here. So this is a 2025 model. So first things first, the car right now is locked. We're going to pull out the handle, and I need to get rid of this blanking plate here. So I'm going to put my finger behind, making sure I don't drop the handle on my finger, and I'm gently going to push it out, but I'm using my thumb here to stop it flying out. So just gently push it out like so, and you can see that that comes out like that. And we have a lock just here. So an old-fashioned lock just there. So now we need to go over to the key. There isn't actually anything wrong with this car, so that's why I've got the key apart, otherwise it's just going to open up. So we're going to go over to the key, and we're going to take out the integrated key. So press that button in here and bring this out here. Now, to give ourselves enough room, put it in this way round, yeah, with the plastic over here. So we're going to put it in here, and then basically we're manually opening this door now. So we're going to lift it upwards, and you will see that this will come up here. There you go. So you can now see that that's come up there. But when we open it up, I presume the alarm's going to go off. So let's see. I'm going to take that out. There we go. Okay, but the idea is you would then go into the car and you would put this by the dashboard to disable the alarm. But in this video today, we're just showing you how the little hidden lock works. And now to put this back in, you're going to be using a little tab just here on the left hand side, like that, and you're just going to be pushing that home, just like that. And then with the key, you're just going to be pushing this back into here like so, and clicking that in. So that's it. If for whatever reason you ever need to get into the car, there is an emergency little lock there. Thanks for watching.